Number 1. 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Touring Coupe, $5,000, Hidden Meadows, California. This 1985 Cadillac Eldorado Touring Coupe is a rare and limited production luxury coupe with only 585 units produced and approximately 100 in this specific color combination. Powered by a V8 engine with front-wheel drive and automatic transmission, it delivers smooth and refined performance typical of Cadillac during the mid-1980s. With just over 52,000 miles and a rebuilt title, it runs and drives very well, and the air conditioning is fully functional. While it needs some cosmetic attention, this is a collectible and uncommon model with strong appeal for Cadillac enthusiasts. Number 2. 1968 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe, $7,200, Quartzsite, Arizona. This 1968 Cadillac Eldorado is an iconic front-wheel drive luxury coupe powered by a massive 472 cubic inch V8 engine, producing impressive torque and performance. With approximately 65,000 miles and a clean title, it runs well and has received numerous recent mechanical updates, including ignition components and brake system improvements. The car needs paint and interior restoration, but retains strong mechanical health. Known for its bold styling and long hood presence, this Eldorado remains one of the most distinctive American luxury cars of its era. Number 3. 1954 Buick Super Sedan, $9,000, Rancho, Cordova, California. This 1954 Buick Super is a classic mid-1950s sedan powered by the legendary 322 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine. With 66,000 miles, it runs well and features smooth shifting automatic transmission, power steering, and even a rare power seat option. Recent upgrades include a new fuel system and complete brake overhaul. The original paint shows age, and the car needs interior and minor mechanical work, but it remains a solid and enjoyable cruiser. Buick models from this era are known for their smooth, floating ride, and this example lives up to that reputation. Number 4. 1985 Saab 900 Sedan, $4,500, Mountain View, California. This 1985 Saab 900 is a classic European compact known for its durability and unique engineering. Powered by a 2.0-liter 16-valve four-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it offers a more engaging driving experience compared to typical American sedans. With 187,000 miles and a salvage title, it runs and drives, but requires additional care. The Saab 900 is appreciated for its safety innovations and quirky design, making it an interesting choice for enthusiasts looking for something different. Number 5. 1969 Plymouth Barracuda Coupe, $4,995, North Plains, Oregon. This 1969 Plymouth Barracuda is a true project car, powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. While the engine runs, the car currently does not drive due to non-functioning brakes and long-term storage. The body has rust, dents, and missing components, including damaged glass and worn interior. With a clean title, this Barracuda is best suited for a full restoration or as a donor vehicle. Given the rising popularity of late 1960s muscle cars, it holds potential for a dedicated restorer. Number 6. 1953 Studebaker Land Cruiser Sedan, $9,500, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1953 Studebaker Land Cruiser has undergone a comprehensive frame-off restoration and modernization. Now powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a turbo hydromatic 350 transmission, it combines classic styling with modern reliability. Additional upgrades include power steering, front disc brakes, air conditioning, and a fully refreshed suspension. With approximately 15,000 miles since completion, it is a comfortable and reliable driver that retains vintage character while offering improved usability. Number 7. 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix Coupe, $6,500, San Diego, California. This 1973 Pontiac Grand Prix is powered by a rebuilt 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission. With only 15,000 miles since rebuild, it delivers strong performance and smooth shifting. The interior has been fully restored and is described as excellent, while the suspension upgrades provide a more controlled ride. As an Arizona car, it is rust-free and well-preserved. The Grand Prix was known for blending performance with personal luxury, and this example is a strong driver with minimal needs. Number 8. 1973 Mercury Cougar Coupe, $8,500, Portage, Indiana. This 1973 Mercury Cougar is a stylish personal luxury coupe powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. With approximately 200,000 miles, it remains in good condition overall, though it will require future attention to the front suspension. The interior and exterior are clean for its age, making it a solid driver-quality car. The Cougar from this era offers a blend of comfort and performance, positioned as Mercury's upscale alternative to the Ford Mustang. Number 9. 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, $8,500, Los Angeles, California. This 1979 Oldsmobile Toronado is a front-wheel drive luxury coupe powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission. With only 33,149 miles, it is a low-mileage survivor with a well-preserved interior and strong mechanical condition. The car runs well, the air conditioning works, and the transmission shifts smoothly. Minor paint issues are present, but overall it remains a clean and comfortable cruiser. The Toronado was known for its innovative drivetrain and spacious interior, making it a standout luxury car of its time. Number 10. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon, $9,000, Maryville, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Station Wagon is a full-size family cruiser powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 100,000 miles on a rolled-over odometer, it has not been driven since 2012, but will run and drive. The car features a solid body and frame, along with new brakes and transmission. It will require engine work, making it a project vehicle. Station wagons from this era are increasingly popular, especially for their practicality and nostalgic appeal. Number 11. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Coupe, $12,000, Chilliwack, British Columbia. This 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a performance-oriented build powered by a 400 cubic inch small block V8, producing approximately 350 horsepower. Paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it delivers strong acceleration and classic muscle car sound. Upgrades include Edelbrock components, performance camshaft, and dual exhaust system. Finished in a two-tone bronze, it presents well and offers a balance of classic styling with modern performance enhancements. Number 12. 1981 Pontiac Trans Am Turbo Coupe, $11,500, Graham, Washington. This 1981 Pontiac Trans Am Turbo is powered by a 4.9-liter turbocharged V8 engine and automatic transmission. With 127,000 miles, it runs and drives but requires a full cosmetic restoration, including paint and interior work. The car is rust-free and retains its original panels, which is highly desirable. The black exterior with red interior is a rare combination, adding to its appeal. This Trans Am represents a solid restoration candidate with strong originality. Number 13. 1978 Chevrolet Nova hatchback, $12,000, Aberdeen, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova hatchback is a rare configuration with only a small percentage produced in this body style. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it offers an engaging driving experience. With 34,412 miles, it is a one-owner car that remains highly original, including factory paint and trim. The interior is in excellent condition with only minor wear. This Nova stands out for its originality, rarity, and desirable drivetrain combination, making it a strong collectible example.